Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Angel Gabriel Tarets. Today I have made this video for Ankita Lokhande and someone has asked from me that is there any role of Ankita's mother-father in the breakup of Sushant's relationship with Ankita? That means Ankita's Lokhande's mother-father, whether they want Sushant to be there as a son-in-law or not. They wanted whether they wanted that Sushant and Ankita will be in good relationship or not. Someone has asked from me this, so I've converted this video in English. The card which first came out of is of emotions, and this is of worries. That means Ankita's mother father both are very much worried for their relationship, and they are worried as usual that what will happen after marriage, what will happen especially with my daughter, whether the Sushant will be okay or not. There is some negative thought about Sushant, and they are doubt that whether just now the Sushant is looking very good and behaving very good, but after marriage, what will happen? We all don't know. That's why we should not accept the relationship of Sushant and Ankita. This type of talk must be there between the Ankita and mother father. In the media, all things will not come, and Ankita will never say that my mother father has said something on whatever. So this card shows that mother father are worried about the Ankita Lokhande's relationship with Sushant because uh, it is but natural because they are the parents of her girl, and they are not very, you can say, uh, very high class people. They are not very high class people, so they are, it is but natural that they will ask the girl that whether your husband, whosoever you are taking your boy as a husband, accepting as a husband, whether he has got a proper job or not, because Sushant at that time has started the career in the and started the career, and he has not got any job, something like that. Usually the parents of the girls asked about this only. They are worried about this only, that whether the boy has got the job, permanent job or not. So there must be some worries among the mother father that whether it will be good for Ankita or not. And this card shows that Ankita has said many times at that time, has many explained also to mother father that to her mother father that Sushant is very rich and prosperous. You don't have to worry. He is just like a prince. This is a card of prince. This shows that prince quality. That means very talented, very knowledgeable. The communication skill must be very good. She has given the explanation to her mother father, but instead of this also there is again the card of worries. That means they must be asked. Ankita has told her mother father many times that no, Sushant is very good and he is very talented, very knowledgeable person. He is a perfect life partner. But he will she must be explained this also to her mother father that uh, if he will go abroad for making career, so uh, he is very responsible and he can manage the family life also and the career life also. This Ankita has explained her mother father, but instead of this also, this is the card of worry has came, or you can say the obstacle in the path of the relationship of both the couples. They must be asked Ankita that about Sushant, that whether he will be able to manage all the things by going abroad. That means both the family life also and the career life also. They both are very much, the mother father must be very much worried about this. So this is the card again of obstacle has came, that it must be a true thing that that Ankita's mother father are the at that time there is the possibility that they both were be saying this, that whether you will be able to manage all the things with Sushant or not. This type of questions there must be, because in the media view of Ankita will not say anything about mother father. This card shows that there must be some worries among the mother father about their daughter Ankita Lokhande, and this card and says that the mother father has said to the Ankita that now you can, after breakup, now uh, you have to live life as a new beginning. That means the sun with the confident. Sun card shows the confidently you have to live the life. This card shows that mother father has must be advising Ankita not to indulge so much. Just not do not indulge yourself in marriage with anyone, because Sushant has started the career at that time and he is very young and rich and prosperous also. But there are some worries among the mother father. So this card shows that after breakup they must be said to the Ankita that, yes, now you can start your life as usual with confidently. So someone has asked from me, so I think that person has got the answer, that this reason is only secondary and tertiary, that there is the role of mother father, but not the primary. I have told that who is the culprit uh, between the two people, between the Ankita and Sushant, because someone is observing Sushant, as I have told in earlier videos also, and I have explained after 2016 there is some Sushant involved in the wrong group of friendship. So I think you have got the answer. Thank you for watching my video.